for that comprehensive rundown of this year's case study competition.
Next, we have our first speaker for the evening. This distinguished gentleman is a motivational speaker, corporate trainer, and founder of Know Your True Self Research and Training Academy, a research, development, training, and coaching entity in fields of human behavior, energy psychology, leadership development, youth empowerment, emotional intelligence, motivation, and life management. Born and raised in the capital, he started his career in the Indian Army and associated with various organizations in the fields of insurance, real estate, training, and alternate franchising as entrepreneur, trainer, consultant, and speaker. He is an EFT expert, NLP practitioner, a successful entrepreneur, youth empowerment coach, and a sought-after motivational speaker. He has been a trainer, speaker, and keynote address presenter for more than 12 years and has more than 14 years of experience in behavioral sciences. He is an eminent TV personality, and thousands have heard and benefited him through his keynote addresses. He puts the motive in motivational speaking. I take rectitude in introducing to you the founder of Know Your True Self Research and Training Academy, Mr. Mahesh Sharma.
And you know, this is my attire. If you permit, I can, उतार सकता हूँ उसको, pull it off, because this is not the morning time, it's the afternoon time. Good afternoon again, and I am delighted to be with you all, and this is just like a dream come true. Why? Because 14 years back, when I attended my first seminar in Indira Gandhi International Indoor Stadium, I was sitting at the back, and one speaker from Thailand spoke something very interesting. And that one line changed my complete life 14 years back. I was a shy guy, somewhat timid, very low-key personality, but I found a magic line from that seminar. Maybe today, one or two of you will get that magic line from this seminar. I don't know who are they, but I know there are people whose life is going to change after these 2 days. It doesn't matter how many speakers come here. This is the truth and the secret also. It doesn't matter how many speakers of caliber, what caliber come here on stage, it doesn't matter. What matters is, are you tuned in? Getting my point? If you are tuned in, then even a small child can teach you a lot of things. Captain Ravi said rightly that we can learn from anybody. But today, we are not here, especially I am, not here to teach you anything or preach you anything. I am here to stimulate something which is deep down inside you, hidden till now, and within 15 minutes I have to touch that thing which is deep down inside you, and that's an